go ahead and call to order the special meeting of the city council. We all stand for the pledge.
To the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Roll call.
Mike Engelman,
Present.
Mark McAtee,
Here.
Jeremy Holland,
Here.
Dave Smith,
Here.
Carol Rahill,
Here.
Mayor Brian Ader,
Present.
Attorney Stephen Tierball,
Present.
and Clerk Treasurer Lori Carrico is present.
No minute checks, I'll wait till the January meeting. Next item on this is the.
Mayor, as we start, can we have a moment of silence passing?
Yeah, we can do that.
Helen was down there, he was mayor for
8
two
years.
terms.
8 years.
The oldest mayor in Indiana at one time, is that right?
Yep.
Yeah, he'd been 2 years older than my dad today.
So, yeah, our condolences do go out to the prior, Mayor Bowling and his family. Okay, purpose mainly of this was to get the claims that need to be signed year in, so you do have a docket in front of you that.
And I did email that to you. I said there may be changes or something added today. Nothing was added, so this is exactly what you had to review in that email.
I had a chance to review everything looked normal, so I'll make a motion that the claims are approved as presented.
Okay. So motion by Mike,
I second.
second by Dave, all in favor?
Aye.
Nothing on old business at this point. Under new business, before we get into the ordinance and appointments, we will go ahead and do a reorganization of the council as far as president for coming into January 1.
I'll nominate Dave Smith to be council president.
We want to second that.
I'll second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Alright, so effective January then. Dave Smith being council president. Okay. I'll hand it over to you, sir.
Alright, first ordinance up is an ordinance, for the city of Loogootee employee handbook with regard to the city of Loogootee. Employee handbook, whereas vacation time is addressed in the handbook, that the handbook shall hereby be amended to allow with the approval of the Board of Works to deviate from the vacation allotment based on years of service for the purpose of hiring employees based on years of service in other similar jobs.
Need a motion to approve that ordinance? What ordinance number would that be? Lori?
I'd have to look.
Okay.
So this just allows them kind of in a lateral move to bring vacation days with them, so we're able to hire and
Yeah,
maintain.
basically allows the Board of Works to negotiate with particular, potential employees.
I make the motion to accept the ordinance.
I'll second.
Okay, got a motion with Dave, second by Mark, all in favor?
Aye.
Ordinance passed.
Alright, moving right along. Next ordinance is amended ordinance to establish fee schedule for extraordinary services. The city of Loogootee hereby establishes the following fee schedule for extraordinary services. $300 per street intersection that would need to be closed, covering the cost for the use of concrete barriers and cones and labor involved. $100 flat fee per use of each electrical receptacle. Restroom cleaning fee of $50 per day, and a $100 security deposit.
Is there a motion for, approve this ordinance?
I'll make the motion.
Second,
I'll second.
all in favor?
Aye.
Motion carried.
And finally is, with regards to our ordinance on special events, instead of reading the entirety, the changes that are made is that any locations, besides the city park and green space, may be considered, with the exception that, no location within 240 feet of the center of the town fountain shall be permitted as a location for special events. Also removed from the ordinance was a requirement to map out a special removed from it is no longer a plan for emergency evacuations, and other than that, and a requirement that 100% of the extraordinary services will be paid prior to the event, as opposed to 50% of the extraordinary services paid prior to the event.
Get a motion to approve the amended ordinance for special events?
Have we really ever defined what a special event is yet?
Special event is defined in the
Like
ordinance.
Summerfest
It's
or-
defined in the ordinance.
Huh?
It is defined in the ordinance.
Okay.
I'll make the motion to approve the ordinance as presented.
Motion by Mike, second by Carol, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion carried. Okay. Next thing up is the appointments for 2026. With the Board of Public Works and Safety, Dana Strange, Mark McAtee, Danny Clark, Brandon Carrico, and then myself. Amber Gilbertson will still be the administrative assistant. Public Works Superintendent Daniel Schultz will be replacing Bo since of his retirement. John Wagner will carry out the role where he's currently at until he is leaving the 9th, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, till the 9th, and then we'll revisit that. Eric Thomas will be the fire chief, still have, Mr. Tebow as the city attorney, custodian is gonna be Janae Knapp. Stormwater Utility Board, Bo Wilson. Oversight Committee, Karen Hill. Martin County Solid Waste Board, myself and Mike Engelman. The Land Use Planning Commission Policy Council, Eric Thomas, Jimmy Hunt, Lonnie Gregory, and Dana Strange. Board of Zoning Appeals, Dana Strange, Eric Thomas, Brandon Carrico, Jim Floyd, and Jimmy Hunt. The Land Use / Planning Commission on Council Appointments, Buck Holland, Mark McAtee, Mike Engelman. SIDC appointment myself, building commissioners Justin Davis, Martin County Tourism, Amber Gilbertson, zoning appeals board, Mike Engelman, Buck Holland, Indiana Alcoholic Beverage Board, Tim Bradley, Park and Rec Board, Bill Boyd, Amber Gilbertson, Sherry Helms, Gary and Lynette Arvin. Downtown Beautification Board, myself, Amber Gilbertson, Brandy Seals, Jessica Potts, Katie Kidwell, Brittany Potts. Festival and Special Events Committee, myself, Amber Gilbertson, Jolene McAtee, Pam Lockmiller, Kay Summers, Karen Hill, Karen Mathias, Cheryl Strange, Audrey Carrickle, Hannah Kidwell. White River Military Coordination Alliance, Dana Strange takes care of that. Community Corrections Board, myself, Emergency Advisory Board, myself, Radius, Dana Strange, and then, let's see here, I think I've done that one already. Redevelopment Commission, Dana Strange, Mark Sheets, Samantha Alvarez, Justin Carrickle, and Dave Smith. That's Coach Smith. I believe that's it. Yep, so that's the appointments for 2026 at this time.
January 9th for John?
Yeah. Anybody else have anything you'd like to discuss or go over? Or?
I'd like to thank John for his service to Loogootee.
I would too also, very nice.
Good luck to you. Thank you.
He had chances to go elsewhere a long time ago, so he stuck it out here. So we do appreciate it.
Thank you.
John, also, I see you have some new faces in there tonight. You care to introduce any of them?
Yeah, some of you have probably met Jared Stokey here. He's L3. And then Bailey Reynolds here is one of our new officers. He goes to the academy January 5th. He's L6 right now.
What about to your left? Gentleman there.
I don't know him. I don't know.
You don't know him or you ain't claiming him.
Alright. Well, if nothing else, I'll ask for a motion to adjourn.
I make that motion.
I'll second.
All in favor?
Aye.
All right.
Wanna wish everybody a happy new year coming up, safe and happy new